Dear students, punctuation marks, full stop, comma and full stop are the most frequently used punctuation marks. We put a full stop at the end of a sentence. The sign used for full stop is this is the sign for full stop, that dot. This dot is used for full stop. Arp is my good friend. Students, say here we are talking about punctuation mark. So full stop. Arp is my good friend. Complete sentence. Full stop. Please, comma, don't be late. C. The bird is sitting on a branch. Full stop. D. It's snowing heavily today. It's the shortest form of it is. And full stop at the end of the sentence. E. There's a rainbow in the sky. The shortest form of there is. And full stop. F. This big house belongs to a rich man. Full stop. A complete sentence needs full stop. G. I can swim. It's a complete sentence needs full stop. H. Hassan is good at drawing. A complete sentence makes sense. Full stop. I. They all enjoyed playing baseball. Needs full stop. Whenever a sentence gives a complete sense, so it needs full stop. Now, rules of capitalization. Capitalize the first letter of a sentence. Start each sentence with a capital letter. If you are writing a sentence, so the first letter of each sentence must be capital. For example, he is a good boy, full stop, he plays very well. So after full stop, H must be capital. Now here examples. A. I live in a city. So this is a complete sentence, and the sentence begins with a capital I, not with a small I. I live in a city. B. He is always busy. Sentence begins with capital H. C. Capitalize the proper nouns. Sentence begins with C, with capital C. D. Ali is my best friend. Sentence begins with the capital A. It's also a proper noun. So proper noun should be capital. First letter must be capital, and the first letter of a sentence must be capital as well. E. I live in Quetta. So here Quetta is proper noun, so its Q must be capital. But here I comes at the beginning of the sentence, so it must be capital. If I comes at the end of a sentence, at the start of the sentence, at the middle of the sentence, it must be capital. F. We admire the game of Misbah al-Haq. Here Misbah al-Haq is proper noun, so it must be capital. But we are talking about capitalization of the first letter. Rules for capitalization of the first letter. So we comes first at the start of the sentence, so it must be capital. W must be capital. Now here practice. Copy these sentences and add capital letters and full stop where they are needed. Use change small letters into capital where there is its need. Now A. What day is it today? It is Sunday. So here W comes at the start of the sentence, so it must be capital. W must be capital. And Sunday, so its S must be capital because it's a proper noun. B. Last year we went to Murray to spend our holidays. Here, last. So this is the first word of the sentence. So its first letter must be capital. L must be capital. Last. And here M must be capital because Murray is proper noun. So its M must be capital. To spend our holidays. It was very pleasant. So in this sentence, its I must be capital. It it must be capital. It was very pleasant. C. Amir. Amir is a proper noun, so its A must be capital. Wanted to fly planes, so he joined the PA. Full stop. D. When. W must be capital. Lahore. Lahore is a proper noun, so its L must be capital. And at the end of the sentence, use full stop. In our after, A must be capital. Speaking to Uzma, U must be capital because it's a proper noun. I went home. It here in it, I must be capital. It was a long day. These were rules for punctuation marks and rules for capitalization. Stay healthy and keep watching the videos. Thanks.